Welcome back, guys. Brand new beautiful G90, already in for some mods. We're gonna put carbon intakes. We discovered a huge design flaw, especially on the right side, on the passenger side. There is a huge air restriction on the inlet, which they had to design it this way to fit the turbos. The wastegate is pushing, so it was designed in a way where there is a huge dent inside the inlet. So I assume this inlet is at least 40% smaller than the driver's side, which is not equal, and this is definitely not acceptable for Project Gamma. We're gonna see what a quick solution is, if there is a quick solution, such as fitting an F90 inlet, or we're going to develop new inlets to remove that restriction. The first thing we did was removing this engine hoist holder or the lift point. We removed this part to gain some space because it sits right here. It squeezes the inlet. So we're gonna see what kind of options we have right now. Stay tuned. We'll share you the part numbers as well if you wanna do the same mods on yours. After putting these on, our F90 intakes fit on this car. So this is one solution.